Look at this, man. Beautiful. Beautiful. Damn, nigga ain't even drink the whole bottle. Let's go shopping. Oh my God. Oh my God. Like, how deep is this water? Yeah, it's deep. Look at this shit. This is the type of place you get murdered at. Hello? Anybody here? What did they do to this bike, bro? Look at this shit. Is that a PS4? Oh, it's a Sony DVD player. Oh, this log looks so gorgeous. Oh my God, I love nature, bro. Oh, it's so wet. They got a nice view of the pond every time they wake up in the morning. Play some volleyball or soccer. Oh fuck. Show you guys. See, it says no trespassing or loitering. Then when I first came here, there was like this camp, this huge ass like tent, and I think a bunch of homeless people were living here. When I came here, like 2 guys ran up on me, right? And I was like, I come in peace. They were holding fucking like bats and shit. We got a nice cage right here. Look at that. Bag. Oh, look at these trees. Amazing, bro. Wait, what the hell? What kind of serum is this? Is this like cologne? Wait, hold up. Hold up. I'm finna get some bad bitches with this if it smells good. Oh, I gotta wash my back, bro. Yes? I don't know. It smells like a store. I don't know. It's like piss yellow golden, like a syrupy. It smells like a furniture home. Like bro, I can't believe I just found a cologne, bro. It's not that bad. It has like a warmth feel to it. I don't know. Bro, you can find so many good shit just exploring in the woods. Very spacious. Like, you can build a Walmart right here. Like, it's like, not a, that's bad. Nah. Yeah, just keep it the way it is. I like nature, but yeah. Okay, so we're going up the hill right now. We just went up the hill. Oh my Lord! Jesus! Oh! Look at that! Oh, are those like mealworms or those? Whoever lived here or the people that lived here, it seems like they were comfortable living here. Just look at this. They really made this their home. They got shoes. They probably ate some good food, chicken, some mustard. They got soda. Man, these boys were living comfortably. They got some gasoline, propane. I think that's water. Yeah, and I think when I first came here, there was this house right here too. Hello? All this trash really tells you like the type of people that lived here. Jake Fluid. They really knew like how to build shit. See, they got gloves. There's this flag of America. Ice. Whole milk. Oh, what the fuck is that sound? Is that an old school phone? What is this? Huh? Wonder Bro, is that a basketball net? Okay. They were getting active in this bitch. What is that? It's like a truck over there. But I'm guessing like they raided all the homeless people out of here because I guess someone bought this land. I don't know.